If you want to delete a file that you have downloaded on iPhone 16e, then first of all we need to go to the Files app. And the first thing that you might need to do is go all the way back to Browse. So make sure that you have Browse selected in the bottom right corner, and that if you have something selected, you can go to Browse here. So now we need to pretty much find downloads. In my case, I have downloads in favorites, so I can immediately jump to that. You might want to go to iCloud Drive and then choose the downloads folder. Essentially, you are looking for the files that you have downloaded. And now you can simply press and hold your finger on the file that you wish to remove. And then over here we have either remove download or just delete. And that's pretty much it. The file is now gone. And you can do that with multiple items at once as well. In order to do that, we need to tap on these three dots over here in the top right corner and choose select. And then we can keep selecting files that we wish to remove. And after that, we have this bin icon at the bottom that we can press in order to get rid of the downloaded file. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!